So we've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authorities will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sora area or in Jente Hills or Riboy do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we are trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sora or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it. But whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them. And if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable.